Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. You know, when it comes to taking care of our kids' teeth, we want something that's both fun and effective. But let's be real, convincing kids to brush their teeth can be a battle. That's why today we're checking out the Beurer TB10 Kids Electric Toothbrush Kit, designed with your little ones in mind. It's a cute, functional, and gentle option for ages 3 and up. Let's see if this toothbrush can help make brushing a more enjoyable experience for both parents and kids. And hey, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review like this. Let's dive right in. So what's the deal with the Beurer TB10? This electric toothbrush kit comes with everything your child needs for an effective, fun, and safe brushing experience. It features a circular brush head with oscillating bristles, meaning it's designed to remove more plaque than a regular manual brush, which helps keep cavities at bay. Now, we know kids' teeth are more delicate, so the extra soft bristles are a huge plus. These bristles gently clean sensitive teeth without causing discomfort. But that's not all. The kit includes 2 colorful replacement brush heads that will keep things fresh. And if you're wondering how to keep track of the brushing sessions, no worries. The set comes with a 2-minute sand timer. I know, kids need that visual reminder to stick to the full brushing time. It's a great way to make sure they're brushing for the right amount of time. And there's also a handy brushing chart to track AM and PM sessions. How cool is that? The Beurer TB10 is BPA-Free, which is an absolute must when choosing products for your little ones. The handle is also coated with a soft, easy grip material that helps kids hold onto it comfortably, ensuring it won't slip out of their hands while brushing. Now, for the fun part, the toothbrush comes with a cute Polly the Panda cap that not only adds some charm but also keeps the brush head clean. It's these little touches that really make this product stand out as both functional and appealing for children. I tried this toothbrush out with my younger nephew, he's 4 years old, and I was honestly impressed by how easy it was for him to handle. He was excited by the design, especially the panda cap, and loved that the brush didn't feel too harsh on his teeth. The 2-minute timer was a lifesaver to make sure he brushed long enough, and the fun colors definitely made it more engaging. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Beurer TB10 is gentle yet effective. The extra soft bristles are perfect for kids, and the oscillating technology makes sure it's cleaning properly. The timer and chart are fantastic for encouraging good brushing habits. And of course, the Polly the Panda cap is adorable and practical. But on the flip side, it might take a little while for younger kids to get used to an electric toothbrush. Some kids might initially resist the buzzing, but I found that it didn't take long for my nephew to warm up to it. So, does the Beurer TB10 give you good value for money? I'd say so. When you factor in the thoughtful design, the high-quality materials, like the BPA-Free construction, and all the extras it comes with, like the timer and chart, it's definitely worth the price. It's not just about brushing teeth, it's about making it a fun and rewarding experience for your child. And considering how important good dental hygiene is from an early age, the Beurer TB10 is a solid investment in your child's future dental health. In terms of alternatives, there are plenty of kids' electric toothbrushes out there, but many don't offer the same level of thoughtful design as the Beurer TB10. Some options are a bit cheaper, but they may lack features like the timer, chart, or the adorable cap. If you're on the fence, remember, this brush is designed specifically for kids, making it a great choice for parents looking to invest in a high-quality, age-appropriate product. To wrap things up, the Beurer TB10 Kids Electric Toothbrush Kit does exactly what it promises. It makes brushing more enjoyable, encourages good habits, and is gentle enough for sensitive teeth. The cute, fun design is an added bonus that definitely helps motivate kids to brush more regularly. If you're looking for a toothbrush that ticks all the boxes for your little one, I highly recommend this one. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in picking up the Beurer TB10, I've included a link in the comments below. And if you've already tried it, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment and share your experience with us. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.